Okay, so we are going to be doing our three-phase cleaning with the eco-friendly carpet cleaning that we are doing today in Clackamas, Oregon. We're going to go through phase one. We're going to thoroughly vacuum everything. As you can see, there's quite a bit of debris in the carpeting. Additionally, we're also going to be deodorizing this. We're going to be using the ULV fogger, and we're going to be pumping out the odor side fresh to get rid of any lingering animal odors, and then the peroxide cleaning solution that we put down in phase two will help to obliterate any odors as well, because that is a natural deodorizer. It also obliterate any of the urine crystals that may be in the carpeting. I'm not sure that would be urine. I highly doubt it, because it's kind of round and it looks like something was sitting here, so don't really know what that is, but we're going to go through and get this place all cleaned up.